if you're watching this, then you're obviously in the baddest channel in the world.
Illicit.
So today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I need some materials for the next video that I'm going to be posting here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get some sewing materials to do it. And yeah, I cannot just wait to show you guys my day, and hopefully you guys like it, you guys enjoy it. I don't really know how it's going to be because this is going to be my first vlog ever. Only God even knows how I'm looking in this video. But anyway, okay, so the last video, some of my friends are like, why do you have an accent? You people do not understand that it is hard to record these kind of videos. So every time I see a camera, the accent will just come out from nowhere. So I'm going to be hitting you guys basketballs, you understand? So anyway, let us take a minute to appreciate the hearing that I'm wearing today. Because I'm just so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. Maybe because this is my first vlog ever. But this is going to be a long video. So tighten your seatbelt. Get ready to see how my day is going to be. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. Maybe I'll take a power bank or something. I don't know. Please make sure you stay till the end. If you leave this video, I don't know what will happen, but something will happen. So please do not leave this video. Make sure you stay to the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Make sure you like it. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you so much and thank you for being here. Mwah. the vlog video is over. My god, like I really had a long day today. Like I had a long day. Everything was just really crazy. I was so shy. I also went to like so many places that I could not show because I was really shy. I went to a mini supermarket and I went to a mini store, but I couldn't show those places because I just felt like, oh, maybe the people will be like, what are you doing? So I don't know, maybe hopefully another time, yeah, hopefully another time I can be more confident. I can be more confident about, you know, vlogs and everything. But anyway, I really had fun today. I hope you guys did too. Please not forget to check me out on Queen Faith Official and check out Faith Effects on Instagram. Anyway, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment below, tell me new videos or video ideas that you think I can do, or video ideas that you want to see. I really had so much fun today. I'm not even going to lie, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.